With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello, the question is two particles are moving perpendicular to each other with de-Broglie wavelength lambda 1 and lambda 2. If they collide and stick, then de-Broglie wavelength will be. So there are two particles moving perpendicular to each other and I am taking their momentum as P1 I cap and for other one I am taking at P2 J cap. Fine, these are the momentum. I have taken I cap and J cap because they are perpendicular. Now they will stick together and move in the same direction. So what will be its wavelength? So what can I write according to conservation of momentum? The sum of both momentum P1 I cap plus P2 J cap will be equal to P, where P is what? Momentum of this combined system. Now for according to de-Broglie wavelength, I can write P1 as h by lambda 1 divided plus h by lambda 2 j cap is equal to h by lambda. Fine. If I take mod of this, if I am taking mod of this, so I can write it what? H square divided by lambda 1 square plus h square divided by lambda 2 square is equal to h square by lambda. Fine. And we know that what I have done here, we have taken mod of both the sides. Fine. Now h is common in all this, so it get cancelled out easily. Then we will be getting what? 1 by lambda 1 square plus 1 by lambda 2 square is equal to 1 by lambda square. This is square. So what can I write here? Fine. I am writing here now, right? I can write by adding them lambda 2 square plus lambda 1 square divided by lambda 1 square lambda 2 square is equal to 1 by lambda square. If I reverse them, we will be getting the value of lambda because we are finding lambda. So lambda becomes what? Lambda 1 lambda 2 divided by under root of lambda 1 square plus lambda 2 square. This is our value. Fine. If we talk about the options, option A is exactly same. I hope you have got your answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.